Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is role of air in climate control. Students, what is the atmosphere? I can say that atmosphere is a mixture of all the gases which surround our planet. And it is the atmosphere which acts as a protective layer for the earth and maintains a steady climate and maintains a steady temperature. Let us take a look. Students, during the day, it prevents a sudden increase in temperature. Just imagine students, if there was no atmosphere, no ozone layer around us, the solar radiations would have directly come and reached to the Earth's surface. And it would have heated up the Earth at such a high temperature that life on Earth wouldn't have been possible. This is what occurs during the day. Now let us see what occurs at night. At night, students, the atmosphere again helps to keep the temperature at an optimum level. Because at night, as the solar radiations are not reaching a part of the world, what can happen is the earth can become very cold. But the atmosphere slows down the escape of heat into the outer space by acting as a blanket. And therefore, it keeps the earth hospitable for our survival.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.